Okay, student graphs the system y equals negative x plus 3. That's the blue line that you see in their illustration on the left. And y equals negative 2x minus 1. That's the red line. And the student concludes there is no solution. The lines aren't crossing. Describe and correct the student's error. Well, the student's error is obviously that the graph is not big enough. Look, if you follow this line up far enough, they're going to cross. They're just going to cross up here somewhere. And this person did not make a big enough graph, but that doesn't mean they don't cross. In fact, you know that they will have a solution because they don't have the exact same slope. If they had the exact same slope, they wouldn't cross, but they don't. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to plot that blue line at, we've got a point at 3, and they have negative x plus 3, so it looks like that. And we will make that line with our line tool and extend it. Just give me a second for that. Yep. And then we're going to do the same thing for red. We say we've got a negative 1 intercept and negative 1 intercept and a slope of negative 2. So drop negative 2, run 1, go again in the other direction, the same thing. And you can actually see that they're going to cross right. They're going to cross right there. So let's take our line tool and draw it. Connecting those furthest away points is going to get all the things in the middle the same, or lined up, I should say. And you see that indeed they do cross. And where do they cross? We might as well name it since we can see that they cross. It crosses at negative 4, comma 7. Negative, actually right on the bottom. Negative 4, comma 7. Done.